In this video, you're going to learn how to start making money using AI technology to create professional videos for you and be able to rank them like a seasoned YouTube professional, even if you just started your channel and don't have a single subscriber yet. Hi, I'm Michael from Wealth Formula. This is my new YouTube channel dedicated to helping new YouTube content creators start making money fast. This video series is part of the free training I'm providing to ensure your fast success. Starting a YouTube channel can feel like a long climb to success. You hear about monetization, but it seems so far away with those subscriber and watch time requirements. What if I told you there's a way to earn right from the start without ever showing your face? You can with InVideo AI plus affiliate marketing. It's like offering a friendly recommendation. You introduce your viewers to great products or services, and if they purchase through your unique link, you get a commission. No need to wait for thousands of subscribers. Start earning as you grow. Imagine this. You create a video about a fantastic new smartphone. In your video description, you include a special link to buy that phone. It's your affiliate link, and every purchase through it earns you a percentage. That's the magic of affiliate marketing. It could be any quality product or service. You're providing value to your viewers by showcasing excellent products, and you're getting rewarded for it. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need a massive audience to start making money. Even with a small group of engaged viewers, you can generate income through affiliate sales. It's about connecting the right product with the right audience and fostering a sense of trust. So, if you're eager to monetize your YouTube channel from day one, day one, affiliate marketing is the answer. It's a win-win situation. You're helping your viewers discover valuable products, and you're earning as you build your YouTube presence. Get ready to unlock a whole new world of possibilities with affiliate marketing combined with YouTube video automation. Using InVideo AI in combination with vidIQ makes it easier for new YouTube channels to have success. New channels should start with keyword search as their initial source of traffic to grow a subscription base. InVideo AI helps you create engaging content effortlessly, while Vidiq provides valuable insights on trending keywords and optimization tips. Together, these tools can significantly boost your channel's visibility and subscriber count. Remember, consistency and quality are key. Keep experimenting with different content styles and formats to see what resonates best with your audience. To be successful on YouTube, it's crucial to understand your audience and their preferences. Knowing what your viewers want to see and what keeps them coming back is key to growing a successful channel. This is where InVideo AI and vidIQ come into play. Imagine having a tool that can help you create personalized content that truly resonates with your target viewers. InVideo AI does just that. By analyzing viewer behavior and feedback, it can suggest content ideas that are more likely to engage your audience. Whether it's the type of content, the format, or even the style, InVideo AI can guide you to make data-driven decisions that keep your viewers hooked on the value you provide. But understanding your audience doesn't stop there. vidIQ is another powerful tool in your arsenal. Use it to analyze your competitors and identify gaps in the market. What are they doing well? Where are they falling short? This insight allows you to create content that stands out and fills those gaps. Focus on creating high-quality videos with clear, concise information. Engage with your audience through comments and social media to build a loyal community. Regularly update your content strategy based on performance metrics and feedback. With dedication and the right tools, you can achieve long-term success on YouTube. So as you embark on your YouTube journey, remember, understanding your audience is half the battle. Use the power of InVideo AI and vidIQ to create content that not only attracts viewers, but also turns them into loyal subscribers. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of affiliate marketing in the next segment. Affiliate marketing might sound complicated, but it's surprisingly simple. Let's break it down into 3 easy steps. First, you need to become an affiliate. Many companies offer affiliate programs. Find one that aligns with your content and apply. Once accepted, you'll receive a unique affiliate link to use in your videos. Next, create engaging content featuring the products or services you're promoting, but you never have to show your face unless you want to. Use tools like InVideo AI to make your videos stand out. InVideo offers ready-made templates, stock footage, and music. Even AI that can help you create scripts and voiceovers. With InVideo, producing high-quality videos is a breeze, even for beginners. Finally, drive traffic to your videos using vidIQ. It's a powerful tool that helps you understand which keywords are trending and how to optimize your video titles and descriptions. By targeting the right keywords, you can attract more viewers and increase your chances of making affiliate sales. Remember, more views mean more potential clicks on your affiliate links. With vidIQ, your videos can rank at the top of the YouTube search results and start bringing in views immediately. It's like having a secret SEO shortcut to success. For new channels, keywords are the heart and soul of YouTube success. They're what people type into the search bar when looking for videos like yours. But not all keywords are created equal. Targeting high volume keywords with millions of searches is tempting, but it's also incredibly competitive. Instead, focus on keywords with around 1,000 views. Why 1,000 views? It's a sweet spot. Keywords with this search volume offer a good balance between traffic potential and ease of ranking. You're more likely to rank higher for these keywords, meaning your video will be more visible in search results. More visibility translates to more views and ultimately more clicks on your affiliate links. Think of it like this. It's easier to stand out in a smaller crowd. By targeting less competitive keywords, you're giving yourself a better chance to shine. While keywords with millions of searches might seem appealing, they often lead to your video getting lost in a sea of content. So aim for those mid-range keywords with around 1,000 views or less when you find zero competition. They're your ticket to attracting a steady stream of viewers who genuinely are interested in what you have to offer. And remember, it's not just about getting views, it's about getting the right views from people who are likely to engage with your affiliate links. Finding underused keywords is like discovering a hidden treasure chest on YouTube. These keywords might not have millions of searches, but they often represent a highly targeted audience. That means viewers who are genuinely interested in the topic and more likely to click on your affiliate links. Think of it like this. Would you rather compete in a crowded marathon with thousands of runners or a smaller race with a higher chance of winning? The same principle applies to YouTube keywords. By focusing on less competitive keywords, you increase your chances of ranking higher and attracting viewers who are more likely to convert into customers. Targeting less competitive keywords is a strategic move that can pay off big time. It's about working smarter, not harder. You're not just chasing views. You're attracting the right viewers who are genuinely interested in your content and the products you're promoting. This approach is especially beneficial for new YouTubers who are still building their audience. It allows you to gain traction and establish yourself in a specific niche without having to compete with established channels with massive followings. Remember, it's not about being the biggest, it's about being the best in your chosen niche. Here's a pro tip. Look for keywords that aren't already used in the titles of highly ranked videos. These are untapped keywords with the potential to drive significant traffic. It's like finding a secret passage to YouTube success. Think of it like this. If everyone is using the same keywords in their titles, it becomes harder to stand out. But if you can identify keywords that others have overlooked, you can tap into a whole new audience. It's about being creative and thinking outside the box. Tools like vidIQ can help you discover these hidden gems. By analyzing search data and competitor videos, vidIQ can reveal keywords that are relevant to your content but haven't been fully exploited. It's like having a secret weapon in your YouTube arsenal, so don't be afraid to experiment and explore new keyword possibilities. By uncovering untapped keywords, you can gain a competitive edge and attract viewers who are actively searching for content like yours. Remember, the best keywords are often the ones that others haven't discovered yet. Are you ready to unlock the power of affiliate marketing on YouTube? Don't wait another minute. Start exploring affiliate programs, create compelling videos using InVideo AI, and optimize your content with vidIQ's keyword insights. Remember, you don't need thousands of subscribers to start earning. Affiliate marketing empowers you to monetize your channel from day one. Embrace the opportunity to connect with your audience, recommend valuable products, and earn as you grow. Take action now and watch your YouTube channel flourish. The world of affiliate marketing awaits, and it's time to make it your own. Start your journey today and experience the thrill of earning while you build your online presence. We've covered the basics of affiliate marketing and keyword targeting, but there's always more to learn. In the next video in this series, we'll delve into advanced keyword targeting techniques that will take your YouTube channel to the next level. We'll explore long-tail keywords, competitor analysis, and other strategies to help you dominate the YouTube search results. Get ready to unlock the secrets of keyword mastery and attract a flood of targeted viewers to your videos. I understand asking you to become a subscriber has almost become cliche, but in this instance, you can see that subscribing helps you to succeed. So don't hesitate to subscribe now and continue your insider success training. Together, we'll explore the exciting world of advanced keyword targeting and take your channel to new heights. Click the video on your screen now while you can. You don't want to miss out on the next video in this series, as it can help you grow your YouTube presence and achieve your goals.